Foods that are bad for your liver, heart, and gut? When we talk about foods and beverages, it's easy to name pizza, burgers, fried foods, junk foods, sodas, and canned foods. The list is too huge, and we have no idea some of them can be life-threatening and kill us slowly. Most of us love to eat such foods in our routines that are unhealthy. Still, we love them without knowing the health benefits and nutritional values. Foods that are bad for your liver, heart, and gut. Soda. According to a recent study, more than 60% of American people consume sugary drinks or sodas with their meal or without a meal. Some people believe diet soda is far better than a normal soda. Sodas and sugar beverages contain a lot of sugar, acid, artificial color, are loaded with calories and preservatives, and add no nutritional values. It can cause various health problems related to liver, heart diseases, skin disorders, obesity, tooth decay, increased blood sugar, and many more. Margarine. Margarine can be the best one for your sandwich or burger. Still, you must know this highly processed ingredient contains many preservatives with zero nutrition or other benefits, and it can slowly harm your health and affects the heart. Hot dogs. Who will deny a sizzling hot dog with mustard sauce? Well, when you know the effects, you will indeed say no. Hot dogs are loaded with preservatives, toxins, sodium, and serum phosphate that are highly responsible for kidney disease, heart disease, and hormonal imbalance. Fruit juices. The whole fruit juices are considered a healthy beverage, but you must know they are also a hub of sugar. Even some manufacturers claim they add natural sugar in corn syrup, which is still an artificial component. The companies claim about nutritional and vitamin value of fruit juices, but regular consumption can be harmful to the overall health. French fries. The crispy, salty, deep-fried snack with a sauce or cheese dipping is enough to make you crazy and, yes, sick too. Various studies have been proved that eating French fries and potato chips are linked with multiple cancers in the human body. They can increase LDL levels, obesity, heart disorders, arthritis, and many other ailments. Processed meat. Processed meat is also harmful to our health because it has preservatives. Eating processed meat like bacon, sausage, or other meat is responsible for various types of liver disease, cancer, diabetes, and cardiac diseases. Pizzas. One of the most demanding foods, pizzas are also not much beneficial for health. Most pizzas are made with processed meat and vegetables and added refined flour. Homemade pizzas are far better than eating from the outside. You can choose a particle place where they use fresh ingredients than canned. Now you know which foods you need to